Today in crypto. A recent volatile run-up in the Ethereum and Bitcoin markets has exceeded their value into overbought regions, as per relative strength indicator, RSI. In retrospect, the RSI is a momentum indicator that measures the magnitude of recent price changes in an asset to determine its overbought or oversold conditions. Displayed as an oscillator, it can have a reading anywhere between 0 and 100, with 30 to 70 serving as a neutral area. Traders perceive RSI above 70 as overbought, and below 30 as oversold. They further treat an overbought RSI as their cue for a potential trend reversal or a price pullback. Bitcoin's RSI following its that partially explains why retail traders ignored RSI warnings in the previous daily sessions. But the question remains how far the ongoing rally in both Ethereum and Bitcoin markets could last. One analyst believes they will correct based on the same RSI alerts. RSI has called this move better than any other traditional tool, and it called for a mega move, the pseudonymous entity said in response to Mr. AK. Why Joe Biden's $3 trillion stimulus package could add fuel to Bitcoin's rally. After Joe Biden's inauguration on January 20, an expected raft of new stimulus measures may further boost Bitcoin's rally, say analysts. Internet shutdowns cost India $2.8 billion in 2020, report. A 2020 report by Top 10 VPN found India to be the country that suffered the most economic damage from internet disruptions. Bitcoin has served to onboard more interest in the cryptocurrency industry, with its recent surge to top $40,000. With BTC surge on the market, altcoins have also rallied higher, and cryptocurrency traders have speculated that some altcoins may perform bullishly and experience higher price gains in the long run. The demand for cryptocurrencies has been on the rise now more than ever, perhaps triggered by the fact that many traders are forced to stay at home. With the current coronavirus pandemic, institutional and corporate investors have regained interest in cryptocurrencies. Crypto trader Lark Davis commented on this and said, "This market is fundamentally insanely bullish. We will go much higher. $40,000 is not the high water mark for #Bitcoin. Altcoins will go insane." Currently, Polkadot and Stellar Lumens, XLM, are bullish, and traders are expecting them to rally higher. Here is why. Polkadot, DOT, price. Polkadot, DOT's price has broken the rising trend line and is now expected to experience some sideways movements. As long as the price stays above the blue trend line, Polkadot is expected to rise again. Currently, it is trading around $9.36, and it has increased by 4.62% in the past week. Source: TradingView XLM price analysis. For XLM, we can observe that its price is currently traded in the channel after its recent surge. Traders can look for trading opportunities or watch out for channel breakout. The 0.25 area is expected to hold and give strong support to the price. XLM is likely going to surge higher if it manages to break the resistance level of 0.34. A United States federal judge has reversed his decision to dismiss a lawsuit alleging that Overstock manipulated its share market by distributing a security token in 2019. A Utah federal judge has reversed his own dismissal of a class action lawsuit against online retailer Overstock that alleges it manipulated the market by issuing a security token digital dividend to shareholders last year. On January 6, Judge Kimball reversed his previous decision to dismiss the lawsuit, granting the plaintiff's request from October to file an amended consolidated complaint. The class action was filed by lead plaintiff Mangrove Partners Master Fund in September 2019, alleging that Overstock lied about the purpose of its OSTCO security token, which the plaintiffs claim was designed to punish short sellers. The suit also alleged that Overstock misled investors as to the finances of its retail division and did not disclose that it had failed to secure director and officer liability insurance. The judge previously granted motions to dismiss the lawsuit in September last year, after he found that Overstock's security token issuance did not manipulate the market, and that the firm's earnings statement revisions were protected by the Private Securities Litigation Reform Act. At the time, Kimball concluded the complaint was a classic attempt to plead fraud by hindsight. But on Wednesday, Judge Kimball stated he had made a mistake by having overlooked a footnote in the plaintiff's opposition to the motions to dismiss that requested permission to file an amended complaint should the case be rejected. The apparently extensive footnote also included new evidence from confidential witnesses the plaintiffs argue demonstrates that Overstock's executives were aware of the scale of its financial woes. Overstock's OSTCO security token began trading on its Zero alternative trading system in May 2020, with the token exploding from roughly $10 to a high of $89 in mid-August. The token has since slumped by 50%, and last changed hands for $48.50. According to StoMarket, OSTCO has a market cap of nearly $212 million, which would rank it as the 85th largest crypto asset by capitalization. OSTCO represents roughly half of all secondary security token trade activity. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.